Let's try whole wheat sourdough. Amazing. Try the recipe, guys. Hi everyone, welcome to the Taste the World with Chef Fasa YouTube channel. So today we are going to make natural whole wheat sourdough restaurant style. Now this is the starter. So I'm going to make first the starter. We will keep 2 days fermentation, but I'm not going to use any yeast. This is 200 gram whole wheat flour, natural. This is water, same 200 milliliter. So we're gonna mix. Chef, you can come to close. This is 100% natural whole wheat flour. We will make starter by hand, then we keep 24 hours fermentation. We will keep cover and we will see how's the fermentation. If you can keep 2 days, much better. Okay, let's go, guys. Wow, nice sour smell. Okay, chef, please come to close me. Show them how it looks inside. See, wow, fermented very nicely. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the dough. So this is, you can call restaurant style. So I'm gonna put my full starter. Okay, 400 ml water, and I have fresh yeast, only 6 gram, and I mix it a little bit. Now I'm going to put my whole wheat flour. $650 whole wheat flour. Anyway, don't worry, I will write down all the ingredients in description. This is salt, not too much. This is only 10 gram, and olive oil I have 20 ml. Okay, I'm gonna use mixing bowl, so I don't make by hand because we are gonna do restaurant style. So I don't have time to do by hand, so I'm gonna use the machine. So I'm gonna use the hook, not the pedal. Okay, and mix slow speed. 5 minutes. Yes. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna change the speed to second speed. So already finished mixing. Now I'm going to remove. See, you can recognize when your dough is nice mixing, so it's not gonna stick anywhere. So now we need to keep rest at least minimum 2 hours. So after 2 hours we're gonna fold. Let's wait. So 2 hours, but make sure you need to keep cover. I will show you how to cover. Chef, please give me cling film. Okay, so keep cover so your dough not going to be dry anymore. Okay guys, after 2 hours, let's see. Sorry, after 2 hours, let's see. Wow, see, yeah, bubbles. Wow. So I'm gonna mix again. Wow, you can see. So I keep again 1 hour for fermented. After that we're gonna shape the bread. Anyway, you can see everything step by step. I'm gonna show you. So keep again tight, no air, no dry. So I keep room temperature again almost 2 hours. So let's see again. Okay guys, now already finished almost 2 hours. Now I'm going to divide. So I have 2 baskets. I'm going to make 2 bread loaf with mix it. One bread loaf weight 600 gram. Another one 700. Okay. The remaining I will make one small baguette later. Now I will keep again rest 5 to 10 minutes. Look at this. I will make the shape. Here. So another 10 minutes. I will keep rest. And don't forget to cover. So after 10 minutes I will show you how to apply the seed mix. So we're gonna put multi-cereal seed mix. So 10 minutes I will show you step wise. Okay guys, now already finished to 10 minutes. Now we are going to apply the seeds. Let me show you how to fold. Look at this, fold this way and again. So you have nice round. Look at this. Now spray water all around. Seeds puts it here, mix nicely, then you put slowly. Look at this, full of seeds. Now I'm gonna put here. Let's go second one. Let me show you again how to fold the dough. Fold this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make round shape. Wow, see? Spray water on the seeds. Wow. Full of seeds. When you spray with water, your seeds never gonna out. It stick nicely. You can see it's not fall down. And you keep this way. So when it's proof, so very easy to unmold. Now we're gonna keep proofing. I'm going to put in room temperature, but make sure always keep cover your bread dough. Okay guys, let's proof outside 2 hours to 3 hours. So you can check after 2 hours. If not enough, you will extend. Hopefully 2 to 3 hours. This is our prover, but I'm not going to put in the prover. We will do outside natural proofing. Thank you guys. We'll see after 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay guys, we passed almost 3 hours. So very slow proofing. You can see. Wow, shaking. It's very soft. Okay, I'm gonna remove slowly. Wow. Guys, we will bake, and you need to turn slowly like a baby. Cut. So temperature 200 Celsius, 16 minutes. It's calling the bread. Okay, let's go. Wow. Wow, look at this. Keep cooling down. I can't wait for so long time. I wanna try right now. Anyway, we should keep wow. It's too hot. Look at the bread guys. Wow, it's not heavy. Wow, this is the one I'm gonna cut right now because I have no patience to wait until cooling down. now. Let's try. Wow. Let's try whole wheat sourdough. Amazing. Try the recipe, guys.